Let us see how to kick off the jobs or interact with Jenkins server using REST API exposed by Jenkins. To use the Jenkins REST API to kick off the jobs or get information of the jobs in Jenkins, you need to first create the token, and for that you have to go to the admin section and then go to security. Then over there you will find this API token thingy. Over there you have to click on add new token, and then this is gonna create a new token for you. You have to just copy it and then you will be using it later on. First thing is that let us say you want to kick off the build. So this is the command that you need to use, and here you need to make sure that this protocol, port, job name, everything is correct. So just for the demonstration purpose, I'm using curl, but you can use any other HTTP client to hit this REST endpoint. Now let me explain each and every step here. So curl is basically the tool provided by the Linux, or it is also available in Windows as well, which allows you to hit the HTTP endpoints. Then dash key is basically used to ignore the HTTP certificates. Sometimes you want to ignore it. So in curl, this is how we do it. Then dash capital X is tells curl that we are going to use specific HTTP verb, that is post. So if you want to kick off the job, you have to use this post HTTP verb, and then my server, Jenkins server is running on this port, is using HTTPS protocol. By default, it uses HTTP protocol, not HTTPS, but I have configured it to use HTTPS. Then next is slash job and then slash simple. So simple is basically the job name. In your case, you can give different name. So how do you get that job name? So or here in the dashboard, you will see the names. So you have to use these names. So you can see this is the job that I want to kick off. So right now you can see there are two jobs that I have already run. Now I'm gonna kick off another, but through the curl. Next is slash dash dash user, then username and then token that you created in the first step. Now let us copy this command and then run it from the bash. So I just run it, and then if you come here you can see that third build is already in pending state. Now it is running, and let us kick off another one, and there will be another build number 4. So that's how you can kick off the builds. Now next, moving on, let's say you want to get the queue information, right? So Jenkins uses the queue, so you want to see all the jobs that are stuck in the queue. You can use this command for that. So this is the path slash queue slash API slash JSON, and rest of the things remain same. Just thing that changes is the HTTP method and this particular path. Now let us see, you want to find the job status. So you ran the job and you want to see the job status now. How you can do that? So for that you can use these commands. So if you want to get the status of last job, you can use slash simple. This is the job name. Slash last build means last build of this particular job, and it is gonna give the details of that particular job. Or if you want to get the details of specific job ID, you can pass that ID over there. And what it is gonna do is that it is gonna give us all the information about that job, like if it was successful, what command was used, which user started, is there any artifacts. You can see here, this is the artifact details it is showing here, and on which agent it was executed, how much time it took. So everything is sent in this HTTPS response. So let us do it for that job that we just ran, job number 4. And I'm just gonna execute this command now from this bash, and it sent me all these details like that. And finally, so there are a lot of other verbs and a lot of other methods that are there, but I'm just showing you a few of them. The next thing is if you want to download certain artifacts, so this is how you can do it. Okay, so here dash k we already know, to ignore the HTTP. Certificate dash O is basically this is the file there where you want to download that artifact. So on this job there was this artifact system underscore info.txt. So if I go here, you can see there is this system underscore info.txt. So I want to download that. So this is how you do it. Okay, so that will download that particular artifact on my local system like that. Okay, and if you do ls, it should be there somewhere. System underscore info. You can see here. So that's how you can download any artifact. So these are some of the methods that you can use to interact with the Jenkins server using REST protocol. Thank you.